Suffering from hair loss? I've got good news for you. My hair clinic is coming to Dubai after UK and Norway. My main focus is creating a natural result, and of course, with Scandinavian standards. A natural result where it's undetectable from natural hair.
Mazhar Hussain is not just a doctor that plucks hair into you, he's a true artist.
I'm not the cheapest surgeon, and I may also not do the most grafts in a day. My focus is to give you a result that really looks natural. And that is the key for me. It's the 3D direction of your hair. How are we planning your hairline? Where should it be? How should it be formed? And which grafts are being used in the hairline? There's so many details we need to take into account. It's not just a matter of moving hair from one place to the other. We need to ensure that the results you get are something you want to show off. Show off in a way that you got the hair, but nobody really knows it's a transplant. How does that sound to you? If you want something that is just beyond getting more hair, getting rid of some of the baldness or the balding, if you really want something that is an asset to your looks, something that enhances your confidence, and people does not even realize this is something you had done, well, then it's time to speak to us. Speak to us for advice on whether you're a good candidate or not. Also, whether we should do a hair transplant with the donor area you have. Is it possible? And if it is, what are the realistic expectations you should have? But naturalness, that is something by default. Regardless of whether you have a big transplant or small transplant, if your donor area is weak or if it's very good, if you're not able to achieve a natural result, then it's not the right time to do a transplant. This is our focus. And again, as I said, we keep a Scandinavian standard. We want you to know that if you come to us, there is no room for compromise. This is only about creating the right result for you. That's our focus, nothing else.